How to ghost post on Threads. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can ghost post on Threads. First, you want to make sure Threads app is up to date. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search Threads. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Ghost posting is a new feature, so you want to make sure that your Threads app is up to date. Next, open the Threads app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top, you'll see a plus icon next to your profile picture. Tap on that and you'll see the ghost post option. Turn that on. Now type whatever you want. A ghost post stays active for 24 hours and after that it moves to your archive where only you can see it. Any replies you will get will show up in your messages. Once you post it, you'll see a timer showing how long the ghost post will stay visible. You can tap it anytime to view or delete it. And that's it. That's how you create a ghost post on Threads. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.